Hello dear students. In previous video you all learned about computer network and its types. In this video you will learn about networking topologies. Firstly, let us discuss about topologies. As you all know that in computer networking computers are connected with each other. But how they are connected, how they share data and resources, that is defined in topology. Means how computers are arranged in a network, that is called topology. A computer can be connected with two ways, that is physical and logical. Physical means how they are physically linked, and logical means what logic they are using to share their data. And in topology it is not necessary to use the same topology for both physical and logical connection. Means we can use a different topology for physical connection and a different topology for their logical connection. Now let us discuss about different type of topologies. There are mainly 6 type of topologies. First is point-to-point topology, second is bus topology, third is ring topology, next star topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology. Point-to-point topology. In this topology only two hosts are there. As you can see in this picture that two systems are connected with each other. For their connection we use the cables and data flow in both the directions. At one time one is receiver and second is sender, and at other time the second is sender and first is receiver. But it is possible that in their logical connection there may be some intermediate devices which are used to share their data. Means in physical connectivity there are only two systems, but the logical connectivity can be other. There can be more devices which are helping the both of them to share their data. Bus topology. In this topology many computers are connected with each other in a single communication line. They can be 50 computers, 100 computers, but they share a common line. The data which they transmit, that will go through this line, and if there is any problem anywhere in that line, the connectivity of whole network will be disturbed. If we can say if third computer at the place of third computer something went wrong, then the connectivity of all the computers will get lost. And because they are sharing only one cable, if they send data at same time, like I am sending data at same time and one more computer is sending data at same time, it may possible the data of one of us can lost, or two of us can lost, or the data can be delivered at wrong place. Ring topology. As you can see in this picture that in ring topology one system is connected with only his adjacent systems, neighbor systems, the systems which are close to that system. Means each system can connect only two systems, one in his left and one in his right. In this topology, if one system want to send something to the third system, then the data will go through the second system. If there are 5 systems and computer want to send data to fourth system, then it will go through the second, third, then it will be delivered to the fourth system. So in ring topology the messages are not secure because we are sending it with the help of some other computer. The data can be lost, the data can be hacked. Star topology. In star topology, the systems are connected with a common device, a central device which is called hub. You can see in this picture there is a central device, a hub, by which many systems are connected. If they want to share data, they will send it to hub, and then hub send it to that device which they want to send data. This hub act as an intermediate between all the computers. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, all the systems are connected with each other. In this topology, a system can send data to any of the computer, any of the system directly because there is no intermediate between them. Hybrid topology. In this type of topology, two or more than two topologies appear at same place. Like you can see in picture, there is a picture of star topology, there is a picture of ring topology, and they all are connected. Means many topologies are connected with each other, then it will become hybrid topology. I hope you all are clear with these points. Please write down these points in your notebook, and if you are having any problem in any point, you can ask me. Thank you.